It is possible to clean up hydrocarbon discharge in broken ice conditions with the Ice Maggot, a device specifically designed to clean up spills in Arctic conditions. In this oil-dependent age, oil production is more crucial to our daily lives than ever, and with supplies running low or threat of war-torn countries barring access, eyes are ever turning to wells not yet tested. A new study has suggested that some 160 billion barrels of oil may be under the Arctic ice. This would make the Arctic the next frontier in the oil industry. However, many difficulties stand in the way of Arctic development, perhaps the foremost among these being oil recovery in case of a spill. Is it possible to easily clean up a spill among the ice flows? Yes, it is possible, with the Ice Maggot, a device specifically designed to clean up spills in Arctic conditions. The first of these conditions, and one of the biggest problem periods for a hydrocarbon discharge to take place in, would be the late spring breakup. At this transitory period, oil can be very difficult to retrieve. Water is now over the ice as the sun melts the upper layers, and ponds have started to form, but still haven't breached the thick winter ice in most places. Another interval which proves difficult in the event of hydrocarbon discharge is fall, when the ice is just beginning to form. At this time, the ice floes are merely 70 centimeters thick or less, and has not reached a stage where vehicular traffic can get on the ice. Both of these conditions require the ability to recover the petroleum from a water vessel amidst the ice, and the Ice Maggot system will be the only system that can accomplish this. This is an artist's rendering of the system. One can see the general layout and complexity of such a system, but the idea behind it is relatively simple. This barge-like system is pushed by a tug. As it moves forward, the ingestors at the front of the maggot break up the ice and pump the chunks into a crusher. The crusher then sends the fluid, which is now a fine slurry, into the melting chambers, where the fluid is heated. Once the ice is melted, it moves into the large single chamber at the center of the system, where the oil is separated from the water through a number of systems. The cyclone separator is depicted as the final step of the process, before the decanted fluid is transferred to the front of the device for recirculation. For smaller cleanups or cleanups requiring an icebreaker, the sidearm unit would be employed. The sidearm is essentially a deployable version of the Ice Maggot, designed to be attached to a large vessel. The sidearm operates in conjunction with a boom, which is not an integrated part of the system, but can be used to funnel the hydrocarbon discharge into the sidearm unit, where the ice is ground into a manageable size, 1 to 10 inches. When the sidearm is not in use, it can be retracted and stored up out of the way on the work vessel. The remainder of the system is identical to the Maggot. The Ice Maggot is a recovery system that is made up of pre-existing and proven recovery systems, organized and streamlined into a single unit, and integrated into a barge. The future of the oil industry is in the Arctic Ocean, and the Ice Maggot is the system that can help further development in such an inhospitable area. The Ice Maggot is a Broken Ice Enterprises product, and to learn more about the Ice Maggot, sidearm, and about Broken Ice Enterprises, call the number provided or email us at lewisjs@sbcglobal.net. Thank you for watching.